Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem that many developers face when creating horizontal menus with drop-down functionality. The problem we're going to address today lies in the behavior of the drop-down menu. It disappears when you move your mouse away from the main menu item to interact with the drop-down itself. But fear not, we have a solution to this dilemma that will keep your drop-down menu visible and user-friendly. Let's dive right in. Now, let's talk about the solution that will help you maintain the drop-down menu open even when you're interacting with it. By using a combination of CSS properties and selectors, we can ensure that the drop-down menu remains visible at all times. The key lies in setting the initial display property of the drop-down menu to none, and then toggling it to block when the user hovers over the main menu button or the drop-down itself. This way, you can create a seamless user experience where the drop-down menu stays open for easy navigation. Just follow the provided styling and structure to implement this solution effectively. In summary, we've covered a simple yet effective solution to the common drop-down menu problem faced by many developers. By applying the CSS properties and selectors outlined earlier, you can ensure that your drop-down menu remains visible and accessible, enhancing the user experience on your website. I hope this solution helps you overcome this issue in your projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!